Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here with a sneak peek and what's going to go on in Unit 4. Let's start off with my office hour chat schedule for the week. Let's get into that. My office hour chat schedule for the week is going to be the same as it always is. On Monday, which will be July 27th, my office hour will be held from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then on Tuesday, which will be July 28th, my chat number 4 will be held from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We're going to be going over a lot of interesting things. We're going to be going over the presidencies of Ronald Reagan and George H.W. Bush, and I will be getting into topics like Reaganomics, the end of the Cold War, the first Gulf War. I hope to see you there. I will also be reviewing Unit 4 discussion board. Very important. Okay, so your remaining Unit 3 due date is as follows. Remember, you had your Unit 3 determined knowledge that was due Friday the 24th. So Tuesday, which will be the 28th, you will have your Unit 3 and telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, so your Unit 4 due dates. Remember, Unit 4 is extremely important because of the Unit 4 discussion board assignment. Your second of the two important writing assignments in this semester. The first was the Unit 2 discussion board. And this is very similar to the Unit 2 discussion board. Please keep that in mind. So the Unit 4 discussion board assignment is broken down into two due dates, just like your Unit 2 discussion board assignment. So Friday, which will be July 31st, you're going to have two important things due and on that day. Firstly, your Unit 4 determined knowledge will be due July 31st by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, very importantly, on July 31st, you will have your Unit 4 discussion board original post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. That is where you answer the prompt and you discuss the primary document that you chose to delve into. Okay, so then on Tuesday, which will be August 4th, you also have two important things due in this class. Firstly, you will have your Unit 4 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Then secondly, on August 4th, you will have your Unit 4 discussion board response post due. Okay, remember you have to respond to two of your classmates, and each of your response posts must be at least 100 words in length. All right, everybody, I hope this gives you a little sneak peek and a little motivation into diving into the Unit 4 materials. So please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week, and I will see you at our chat on Tuesday. Have a good one, everybody.